Hey guys, welcome back to Project 460 and today new video, new project on my GX. I don't know, you probably noticed I say 460 instead of 650. Oh, don't even ask why. Because of course the 460 is gonna stay in this household for many years to come, and this thing unfortunately might go. Don't know yet, I'm still thinking about it. I have a vision for a different vehicle. So, yeah, maybe it goes, maybe not, but just in case it does, I changed the name of the channel to Project 460. Anyway, enough about that crap. What we have here today is real ladder for my GX. Not too many ladders you can get in the market, not for this vehicle. You guys know that if you do a little research. Couple 470s, couple 460s. With a Gobi I've seen about 9 person on the pictures and videos. Gobi, I believe they are they African or Australian? I'm not sure. But check this out, made in America. My main James, owner and the fabricator, Nash Fab Co. I believe he's from Oregon. Of course, there is no affiliation between Mr. James and me or his company. I'm a full paying customer, full price, weighted mounters, and so to be custom made for a GX. But that's where you guys can get it. Now let's get through this. It came as in 2 pieces. This is the bottom, this is the top, and you're gonna ask why. Because Mr. James came up with a wonderful idea and gave us the option not to lose the functionality of the back window. So all you have to do, pull this pin, put it in your pocket, put it around your neck, and then you're gonna pull this pin just like that. That pin does not come out. That pin is stay fixed. I don't know how he did it, but looks super cool. And you drop your ladder like a little table. Then you have a full functionality of your back window. This is the feature that everybody loves. So it's just a little extra step to get to the point. But besides that, that was the way to do it. So awesome feature, awesome drop kind of, and you can use it like you know, some kind of table or whatever. You cannot sit on it because it's held by these two, the small hinge and the pins. Also, what is a cool thing about this, you can remove these pins, which, as you can see, easy to remove, and have just a bottom portion. If you guys, you know, hanging something on a window or doing some crazy shit, who knows, you can actually remove this, not necessary to even have it. Now this is the cool part. This is where the most of as you can say, like a weight would go. It would be on this, but then it's incorporated with the bottom bracket. So it makes this thing super sturdy, guys. There is 2 hooks on the metal that you shove directly on your frame, just like you will see it's a part of the bracket itself. And everything underneath this bracket, it's 3M tape. Hook these 2 things, just push it down. This thing sits on in this. 2 small screws, attach the ladder, and you are golden. I'm gonna take you on the top. Ooh. It's just a regular bracket. It's not even held by anything except 3M tape on the bottom, but you don't need it because there is no pressure that goes on this. Your climbing, your weight would go on this portion and the bottom. So this is just to have, you know, option for, you know, to attach it, to make it sturdy or whatever the principle of the thing is. This is a little brackety looking hoopy thing. That's where that pin goes through. Super easy and super innovative. All you gotta do, put it back on, pull this small pin, ladder pop right in, and that's it. Ready to go. Left to right, back forth. Super sturdy. Let me climb, guys, for you. God, these things I do for you. You better subscribe and like, because I'm working hard over here. Alright guys, I'm half naked, so forgive me about that. How super easy that was. Shake like a monkey. Anyway, yeah guys, super sturdy, super really nicely built, so clean, believe it or not. I mean, you gotta see in person to see how clean this thing is. No rough edges, no hot spots. I mean, you can run your hand fully, you can go barefoot. Has this little material just for you not to slip. You guys probably noticed the ladder is crooked to the left. Goes like a, not banana, but has a little angle. Why? Because, like I said, my man James thought of everything. So you can still have enough clearance to put a rear tire in the back. If you go, for example, as a JW tire carrier, which I'm probably gonna go with, my man Sammy DIY Garage, guys, check him out. Sammy's the man when it comes to the GX. He just installed one and I really love it. So anyway, with this ladder, it's gonna give me enough room for the JW tire carrier. Anyway, so this is the new mod GX 560 rear ladder. If you guys have any questions, drop it in the comments below. You can contact me at project650xdrive@gmail.com. Ask questions, make comments, etc, etc, etc. Subscribe, like, share, do all the wonderful things you do, and I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.